What's up guys, Propaganda3603 here, and today guys, I'll be drawing a PS4 cartoon controller for you guys today. No one suggested this for me, but I just decided to do it. So yeah, first what you want to start with is the black D-pad. Okay, so you guys want to draw is just a straight line first, okay, and then draw a massive straight line, kind of like an L, okay, draw another straight line up, and it's going to look like half a box, okay, or half of a rectangle. Now you want to draw a curve, okay, and then, and then draw another straight line like that. Just gonna erase this part. Make sure to go check out my gaming channel and vlogs, maybe vlogs. Yeah. Okay, so there's your box part. Okay, now we're going to start on with the buttons on the side. Okay, just draw, kind of looks like a bean, just draw one, got a rectangle, round rectangle part, and then draw another round rectangle. Okay, kind of looks like a monster yelling. Okay, now we're going to draw 13 circles right here. Okay, so we're going to draw 5 up top, 4 on bottom, and 3 in the bottom. So draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, those are 12. Okay. You can always just erase that. Or you know what? No, we're not going to do the details right away. We're going to just do the outlining. Okay, so that's what I do is just draw like a little curve here. Okay, and then just draw a straight line, another straight line, draw a little mountain thing. Okay, my head right now is looking at my phone because it's kind of hard. Yeah, okay. Now we're going to kind of get into something tricky. So what you guys want to do is draw all the way down and then stop. Draw all the way down and then stop. And technically it will be kind of looks like a pirate's hook. Okay. If I post this today, guys, comment down below if you want me to do my drawing videos on my new channel or my normal channel. Okay. I'm open for anything. I just have to talk to my teacher because he's wanted me to do this. So yeah. Okay. So you guys want to just draw a circle. I'm gonna draw another circle for the buttons. Okay. And then just draw a straight line like that. Okay. Now, if the button things are way too close, you guys can erase the D-pad part and make it a little bit more shorter, and then just draw the circles again like that. There you go. And then here, let me just fix up all the touches. Okay, so now we're going to be drawing the buttons on the back. So what you guys just want to do is just draw a little rectangle, draw another little rectangle like that. Okay, now there's your controller layout, like this guy right here. Okay, sorry about that. you guys want to just draw a massive circle in the middle of this thing. Another one like that. Now it will look like a PS4 controller, we're just not getting it done right away. Okay, so let's just color this part in. Okay, on the bottom. And we're gonna just draw the plug-in part, so just draw a circle and then just color that in. And then what you guys want to do is just draw like a little line like right there. Okay. Now we're gonna be getting into the Ps4 logo. So yeah. I'm just gonna go like that. There you go. Okay. So you guys want to just draw a little circle and just draw like, you can draw your own logo. There you go. Just color that in black. Okay. And let's not draw much circles, let's just draw 8 circles. Right there. Okay. Now we're almost done. Okay. You just want to draw a little bowl kind of shape. And another one like that. Draw another circle in the middle of the button, or the thumb stick parts. And then draw another little one. Okay. Looks like it's gonna kind of break. Okay. Now we're gonna draw the buttons. So there's, I think triangle buttons. I don't know. I'm gonna draw one triangle, draw 2 triangle, draw another triangle, and draw another triangle, and then draw a box. Like that. And then just draw like that. And then just draw a circle around it. Okay. Let's just draw 4 circles like that. Let's draw a triangle, square, X, and circle. Okay. Now we're going to be adding a few sketches. So we're just going to sketch the D-pad out. Like that. Okay. And we're just going to sketch out the buttons. We're going to sketch out the other buttons. And the other buttons. And the other buttons. And the other buttons. And you don't want to shade in the shapes. Like that. Okay guys, there is my controller. It looks bad, of course, compared to this guy right here. Okay. But yeah, always make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit that post notification bell as well to get notified when my videos come out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to comment what you guys want me to draw next, because I'm open today. It's Saturday. And also guys, happy Father's Day. I know it's not Father's Day today, but yeah, happy Father's Day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.